Hi everybody, let's try this again. Let me show you how to add an assignment onto your web page. The welcome page is really the entire page the students are looking at when they first open up your website. So within the welcome page, you have a couple of different apps set up for you. First one is the Flex Editor app. That's the one that we've been referring to as welcome so far. It's basically an application that's super flexible, that you're able to add links directly into it. You're able to add files into it. You could do several different things within this one application. So you can add everything through there if you'd like. I also added for everybody an assignment application. This helps kind of organize your assignments on there so that you don't have to figure out full format and things like that. You'll notice on mine I also have a divider line on here just because I want it to look pretty. All of these apps over here on the right side you'd be able to play with. You can click one of these and you can put it wherever you'd like. So if I wanted a double line for some reason, now my website will have that first part that I wrote up there in the Flex app. It'll have two divider lines and then it will go into my assignments. For the assignment tabs, we're going to want to do a couple of things about these. So first off, we will start by clicking the little edit button that look like a pencil. I'm going to create my categories first. So I'm going to add a new category. My first category will be for my beginning art classes. And I can save that. I'll have another new category that's going to be for my world art. Okay, and let's just leave it at that for right now. I'm going to have to figure out what I'll do with health later on. So again, I've got my two different categories there. So now let's go ahead and create an assignment for my beginning art. So if I go back to the assignments tab here, I'm able to click that I want a new assignment. That assignment title, of course, it could be anything you want it to be. Mine is going to be a mystery grid, and it's called Slam Dunk. The assignment category, it's going to be beginning art assignment. My date assigned, I'm going to put it for Monday the 6th, and I'm going to have it due on Monday the 10th. There's a place right here for us to add directions to it. The directions section right here is going to be just like a Flex app again, where it's going to be very flexible. You'll be able to add a link in it, a photo in it, a file. So it basically gives you another Flex app within the directions for this specific assignment. Just like my other ones that you don't have to watch me type, I already typed it over here and I copied what I want to write for it so that over here I'm able to just do a paste. So now I've got my directions of complete the mystery grid drawing, include your full name, written dark in pencil within the drawing area on the assignment. You may either turn in it on campus during designated times or email the completed drawing as a JPEG to, instead of to me, let's say to Lynn. On here, they are going to possibly want to print the file. So I'm going to insert my file right here. So I'm going to click on that guy right there. It says upload it. I'm going to browse. And it's the Mystery Grid Slam Dunk that I had saved on my desktop that I want to put in there. So it's going to look like this to them. And I'm going to choose that guy and then continue. The text to display, whenever you want them to click on something to do something, always use the words click to do it. Okay, so I'm going to write click here for print at home option mystery grid. Okay, here the target, you could either have it open a new window or in the same window. I usually just say none and it goes however their computer is already set up. I'm going to insert the file there. I like everything to be center justified, so I'm going to do that really quickly. And the last option over here is to post to calendar. So posting to calendar, I didn't mean to click that. I want to make sure it gets added to my calendar as well. As far as which calendar I want it to go to. I want it to go to my calendar app. Calendar category, that's going to be more of a district-led thing. That changes it to different colors basically. But again, that's a district way of doing it. And I'm going to hit save there. Okay, so now if I do all of that, everything should be saved there. I should be able to go back. I'm going to get rid of one of those extra lines that I put in there. I'm going to go back again. And if I view my website, now I should have the first information here. If I scroll down, currently it says no assignments, but that's because my category, I need to look in beginning art. So if I were to filter my beginning art assignments, oh, I suppose I need to do the month as well. It's still not going. Is it really going to make me do all of it? There we are. So now I have a current assignment, mystery grid slam junk. If I click right there, it gives the full information of what to do, and then click here for print at home option of the mystery grid. If I click there, that gives them what they would need to print at home. So a couple little hiccups in this little tutorial, but hopefully you get the basics of how to add a file onto the assignments page. I will do another video of how to add a file onto the welcome part and the flex editor part if you'd like as well. That is all I have to say for this one. Have a good day, y'all.